Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Sci-fi sky, y'all. I'm out here with this sci-fi sky. I wrecked the other one. This one's still intact. I'm going to try this one with a 13, well, this is a 1200 milliamp hour 2S. So let's get it. We out here in the grass, so I'm gonna be taking off with this guy in the vertical mode. Hopefully everything goes according to plan. See if I can get it in there. Okay, so we got the battery pack in there. Let's stand it up. It stands up, y'all. Check it out. Let's see if we can take off with it. And it fell immediately. Let's see if we can do that again. Sheesh. God don't want to take off. I don't know. Let's try it one more time. Let's make sure the lights aren't flashing red, that is, not flashing red. Guess it don't have enough juice to take off, y'all. I don't know what's up with it. Yeah, this battery pack might be very low C. Let me try it again. And it stopped because I didn't. Maybe I need to lay it down first. Let's see if we can do that. I'm thinking maybe the gyro needs to calibrate and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna sit it down, take off the normal way first. So this thing is finally in the air and it is flashing red. I guess that's why it was trying to land. Sheesh. Gotta get the other battery in there. I do have another battery, actually another 1300, well another 1200. Let's get that in there. Alright, so I did have that battery sitting in my trunk charged for a day or two. This one sounds like it's a little more charged, a little more peppy. It has the ESCs sounding off a little faster. Let's take off the normal way. The battery isn't dying, so let's switch it. Okay, so it's in the air this way. I don't know what the issue was, y'all. It's doing it now, though. Doing it now. Let's swap modes real quick. I know I probably shouldn't do that out here, but I'm gonna do it. High alpha. I tried to switch it back into the into the other mode, and it knocked the battery clean out of it. And I think that's a good thing because it didn't look good. I was moving too fast, y'all. Canopy popped off and everything. I think I'm gonna stop while I'm ahead though. This is definitely not the place to be flying this thing, but I just had the urge to fly it, and I was curious to see if I would be able to take off in vertical mode with this little plane slash drone VTOL, and it wouldn't take off in vertical mode. I don't know why. I have taken off in vertical mode near my house and it did it just fine, no problem. But today, I guess maybe it has something to do with this battery right here. Maybe this battery is a little heavy for it. I did notice that it had a bit of a struggle to stay in vertical mode when I was flying it just now in vertical mode. Looks like I did crack it a little bit right here. A little bit of glue will fix that. But other than that, we made it out of this one, y'all. In one piece still. The Qidi 570 Sci-Fi Sky. Thanks for watching.